Hello everyone, myself Monisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I am here to talk to you about the topic Kejriwal Ration Scheme 2021, which was denied by the centre. So Delhi government was planning the ration scheme policy for Delhi people, which got stopped by the central government. This ration scheme was idea of the state government for door-to-door delivery of ration. That means all the essential items of the ration would have been delivered to our doorsteps. Kejriwal mentioned in one of the statements that if pizza, burger can be delivered at home, then why we can't deliver ration essential item at the doorsteps? So he appeals to the Prime Minister Modi to allow them to provide food grains in doorsteps of the citizen of Delhi. So what were the facts of the statement given by the state government in this matter? Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal appealed to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to allow the state government to start the doorstep delivery of ration. Addressing the webcast, Kejriwal asked the PM why the centre stalled the scheme day before the Delhi government was going to launch it. The Union and Food Public Distribution Ministry has said that the Delhi government was free to procure additional food grains for the proposed scheme under notified rates and launch it, instead of disrupting the public distribution system under the National Food Security Act, under which highly subsidized food grains were allotted to the state. Regarding the approval, Kejriwal said that the Delhi government had written to centre not only once but 5 times. The centre had in March raised the red flags over the name of the scheme and the proposal to use food grains allocated under the National Food Security Act in a local scheme, Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana, and said it had addressed all concerns raised by the central as assertion that the government reiterated. So the government said that, and the government gave the statement. The government of India has not asked the Delhi government to not to distribute the ration the way they want to. They can do so under any other scheme. The centre will provide additional ration for the same as for notified rates. Where is the issue? Why the Delhi government is insisting on the disrupting an existing pan-India scheme which is under NAFSA. The Union Food and Public Distribution Ministry spokesperson had said this. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal, the proposal for the scheme has not been rejected as in being portrayed by the Delhi government. The scheme has only been returned for reconsideration. This has been done to ensure the constitutional scheme of thing is followed in later and spread with the sole aim of ensuring smooth decisions and seamless benefit to the people at large. The LG has cited 2 reasons for this decision. Since the proposal seeks to change the method of distribution, it requires the approval of central government as per the National Food Security Act 2013. A writ petition has been filed by the Delhi Sarkari Ration Dealers Sangh in Delhi High Court challenging the Delhi government scheme. The Union of India is also a party. The petition will be heard on August 20. During the webcast, Kejriwal said that the scheme would prevent people from crowding outside the ration shops. There are people who are not going out to get rations because they are afraid of contracting to COVID. The elderly cannot step out for the ration, he said. Kejriwal also mentioned that doorstep delivery was also the way for the government to end the ration mafia in the city. He said that he had raised his voice against the ration mafia 17 years ago and was attacked 7 times. So this shows how strong the ration mafia is. This is the first time when any government had tried to bring end to it. So basically at the end we can say that who is right or wrong, the time will decide, and public or citizen of the country know well who is doing well and who is not. So I hope you have understood this topic. For more such topics and information, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.